Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about farm animals. But before that, if you are new, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Now without any further delay, let's begin. We are going to learn about animals by playing the guessing game. The first animal we are going to learn is wait, let's guess it. Yay! This is a cow. Do you know cows are one of the most popular farm animals? Cows are herbivores. It means cows eat grass, corn, barley, wheat pulp, grass, and wheat. Cows do not eat meat. Cows are very smart and intelligent animals. We get beef, leather, and milk from the cows. I love to drink cow milk. Which milk do you drink? Do you people drink cow milk? Do you know cow milk is very nutritious? We can make cow milk into dairy products such as butter, cheese, and yogurt. Cow says moo as a way to communicate with other cows. Do you know for how many years a cow can live up to? A cow can live up to 25 years. And a typical day for a cow consists of 8 hours of eating, 8 hours of chewing their cud, and 8 hours of sleeping. Yes, a male cow is called a bull, a baby cow is called a calf. So we have learned so much about cows. Let's go to next animal. Okay, wait, let's guess it. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a horse. Horses are large, domesticated mammals that are incredibly strong and smart. Horses live all over the world. Wherever you go, in whatever continent you are, Africa, Antarctica, Europe, Asia, you will find horses all over the world. Do you know how many horses are in the world? Yes, there are about 60 million horses in the world. Horses can run just 2 hours after their birth. A young female horse is called a filly and a young male horse is a colt. Like cows, horses are also herbivores. It means they eat grasses. Okay, let me tell you about the horse eyes. Horses' eyes are big and their eyeball is absolutely amazing. Horses have been using from the thousands of years to carry heavy weights and for traveling also. Do you know about ponies? Ponies are the smaller types of horses. They are really cute. Horses are incredibly smart animals. And do you know they are one of the most faithful animals in this universe? Do you know how long does horses live? Mostly horses live about 25 years. Till present, the tallest horse recorded was 21 hands tall. Horses eat grass all the day and in one day they drink up to 10 gallons of water. Let's learn the third animal. Yay! You guessed it right. This is a goat. Do you know goats are also herbivores? They eat plants all the time. And goats are awesome rock hopping jumpers. And they can even climb up the trees. Domesticated goats lives on the farm. They produce milk, butter, yogurt, and yummy goat's cheese. Goats have short bushy tails, horns, and a little gentle beards. That goat's eyes have horizontal pupils. The male goat is called a buck or billy and the females are called ducks and baby goats are called kids. Goats used to say hello like ba. Do you know there are over 450 million breeds of goats around the world? Goat milk is the most nutritious milk because goat milk is higher in calcium and vitamin. Now let's learn the fourth animal. Can you guess the animal? Yay! This is a sheep. Do you know Sheep are the first animal domesticated in Asia. They have been domesticated from the last 10,000 years ago. There are more than 1 billion sheep in the world. Let me tell you a very interesting fact. Do you know in New Zealand there are more sheep than the people? Isn't it silly? Sheep are mammals and they are related to goats. The hearing sense of sheep are excellent. Not just humans, but animals also have intelligent and good memories, and sheep are one of them. Sheep are also herbivores. They eat plants, vegetables, and grasses. Sheep are very social animals. They love to live in groups. A group of sheep is called a herd, and mostly sheep lives on the farms. And the baby sheep that are really very young, they are called as lambs. Like humans, the lambs are also very closer to their mothers. When lamb can identify its mother by the sound she makes. The sheep have a very thick fleece that helps them to cover in even the cold climates. We get wool, meat, and milk from the sheep. Wool is a natural fiber that we get from the sheep. The milk that we get from the sheep is often used to make gourmet cheese. The plural for sheep is also a sheep. I guess we have learned a lot about sheep. Now let's learn to the fifth animal, and that is, let's guess it, yes, it's chicken. Like rest of the domestic animals, chickens are all over the world. They live on every continent except Antarctica. Some people estimate that chickens are almost 25 billions in the world. Isn't it a great number? It means that there are more chickens than any other kind of bird. Baby chickens are called chicks and they are born from eggs and takes 21 days to hatch. Let me tell you a very interesting fact. A chicken has more bones in its neck than a giraffe. Isn't it surprising? Chickens were domesticated over 8,000 years ago, but now we find chickens on farms all over the world. Chickens are one of those animals who have very good memory. They can remember over 100 different people or animal faces. Chicken can be of different kinds and different colors. More often, the colorful ones are the females. Like humans, chicken also have a very good vision and they are dreamy just like us. Chickens eat worms, insects, seeds, grains, fruits, vegetables, and all kinds of other foods. Did you know that the chickens are the closest living relative to the T-Rex, like dinosaurs? We get eggs that are my favorite. Are the chicken eggs your favorite also? We get eggs, meat from the chicken. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked our video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. I will come back with another video. Till that, take care of yourself and your closest. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.